what better time than Durga Puja to release a song which celebrates only the song has that festive vibe in it.
Views पाने के बहुत सारे तरीके भी हैं, तो I think but most importantly song should reach the people.
তোমরা দেখো গো আসিয়া কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া তোমরা দেখো গো আসিয়া কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া
কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া এগো কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া রে কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া.
Hi everybody, this is Akriti Kakkar.
Hi everyone, I'm Shan and you're watching us on E-Times.
Welcome to both of you, and I guess your song is like right now trending, and it's totally the puja vibe. So tell us about it, like how was it working for it and everything.
I'd like to hand the mic over to Akriti because this is completely her pet project, and I'd love to definitely add that I'm very happy, very glad that I could be a part of this. And I personally love the vibe of the song. I love the energy of the song and the video. And I'm so glad that, people are really enjoying this song. And it has that pujo, hujjat ta ache etar moddhe. So I'll leave it now to Akriti to talk about how she came up with the song, how she designed it, and how she planned it.
Please, Akriti.
Okay, so the idea of this song started many months ago, but finally abhi hona tha, kyunki we thought what better time than Durga Puja to release a song which celebrates only the song has that festive vibe in it. So it's composed by Shutra, who is a very talented musician from Kolkata, जिनको मैं मिली सारेगामापा के दौरान, एंड मनोज यादव ने इसके हिंदी लिरिक्स लिखे हैं. तो ये हिंदी बांग्ला गाना है, एक बहुत खूबसूरत, एक बहुत पुराना वेरी पॉपुलर फोक सॉन्ग को हुक में हमने यूज किया है, कमलाय नृत्य करे थमकिया थमकिया, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग ऑल हिंदी. So so the Bengali audiences can also enjoy it and Hindi audiences can also enjoy it. So जितनी जल्दी मैंने आपको ये बताया है कैसे ये गाना बना, उतनी ही जल्दी ये गाना एक्चुअली बना भी है. जैसे एक स्क्रैच आया, मैंने पूछा शान से व्हाट्सएप पे कि ये गाना है, वुड यू लाइक टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, लेट मी नो, मतलब पता नहीं आपका यहाँ बिजी हुआ एंड ऑल दैट, एंड ही इंस्टेंटली अग्रीड एंड फटाफट गाना प्रोड्यूस किया गया. बाय प्रोड्यूस आई मीन उसका म्यूजिक तैयार किया गया और फिर उसमें रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई और फिर उसके 3-4 दिन में वीडियो बना लिया गया जो चिराग अरोड़ा ने बनाया है, who also happens to be my husband. So yeah, and it's really happened so fast, and रात को सीसी हो के गाना आज सुबह आया है और हमने शाम को इसे अपलोड कर दिया है. बट खुशी की बात ये है that everybody has personally to him and to me, everybody is called and like over social media सब लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. मुझे तो पंडाल की वीडियोस आ रही हैं, जो लोग गाना चल रहा है पंडाल्स में और नाच नाच के अपनी रील्स बना बना के उसका वीडियोस भेज रहे हैं मुझे. सो इट फील्स रियली वंडरफुल कि हम जो जिस पर्पस से हमने गाना किया था कि सब लोग एंजॉय करें, क्योंकि पूजा इस बार भी वर्चुअली ही हो रही है कई जगहों पर. तो यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, जहाँ पे भी बैठे हैं, घर पे बैठ के एंजॉय करें अपनी घर की सेफ्टी में. So yeah, this is how the song came about.
Yes, and the song is like so catchy and it has this like the whole festive vibe to it. So like as we just said that the response has been so good and everything. So like how was it working for it? You said itna instantly hua and everything. Wasn't it little problematic to shoot like post pandemic or something?
नहीं, I think जब एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के साथ कोई चीज आप करते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली एवरीथिंग जस्ट फॉल्स इन प्लेस. और मैं उसी दिन कलकत्ता इनफैक्ट आ रहा था, क्योंकि कलकत्ता में भी मैंने कुछ इस बार पूजा के काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, तो उसकी शूटिंग और प्रमोशन के लिए मैं कलकत्ता जा रहा था. और उतना वो हाफ अ डे लिटरली था हमारे लिए शूट करना. और बॉम्बे में मतलब मॉनसून्स आर ऑन, तो बारिश का एक डर तो था ही. और यही था कि अगर बारिश हो जाए, देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ वाइब्रेंस इन द वीडियो, अगर आप देखे होंगे वो इंडोर में तो नहीं मिलता. लेकिन लकीली फॉर अस, हाँ, उस दिन धूप तो कमाल की थी. इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 40 डिग्रीज, वेरी हॉट sweltering weather, but what was good is that it didn't rain at all, so we got the whole all the hours, shooting hours. तो वरना मुश्किल था ये वीडियो करना, and everything just fell in place after the शुभम की जो पूरी बैंड है जो कलकत्ता से यहाँ आई और इतनी energetically उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया, and I'm so glad that Akriti has featured the entire band, the same band that has actually played the song live. तो आजकल ये live musicians का जो कहते हो जमाना नहीं रहा, सब प्रोग्रामिंग हो रहा है, सब loops होते हैं. So I'm so happy and so glad that not only did she involve live music but also featured them in the video, so deservingly so. I mean they needed to be featured and they added so much energy also. लेकिन ये सब काफी मतलब इतने short time में इतनी risk लेकर इतना बड़ा एक मुहिम उठाना, she did it and I think her heart was in the right place, इसलिए सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो गया.
Akriti, would you like to say something?
I think everybody's energy for any project. Yeah, I feel like it's about the correct people coming together, the right energies, the right time of everything. So I think project is definitely SI why everybody had the most positive attitude when they started composing the song, to shooting it, to Shan being there. And it was full of obstacles. This whole journey, मतलब होने को अगर शुरुआत में ही हो सकता था, गाना रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हो पाता, बट वो एक बार शुरू हुआ तो वो हर्डल रेस क्रॉस करते करते हम फिनिशिंग लाइन तक पहुंच गए हैं, एंड नाउ एवरीबॉडी इज लविंग द सॉन्ग. दो हमारा गाना जब व्यूज की बात होती है तो कल ही हम बात करें, धीरे धीरे ग्रो कर रहा है, बट आई थिंक ये सब इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिशियंस की दुखती रग है, that that release independently takes way longer to reach more number of people, because we have limited means. How much ever we try to push, जितना भी हम लोग आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करें that you write about it, you tell the world, so we just want कि आप भी support करें wholeheartedly so that it does reach out to the people that it needs to.
Absolutely. And
definitely I also would like to add कि जो YouTube में जो ये views का एक misconception है कि the number of views actually decides. ये व्यूज को व्यूज पाने के बहुत सारे तरीके भी हैं, तो आई थिंक बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली सॉन्ग शुड रीच द पीपल. तो जैसे हम ये इंटरव्यू के जरिए आप भी इस गाने को प्रमोट करेंगी, सो इट हैज टू रीच द पीपल, चाहे वो व्यूज चाहे रेडियो से हो, चाहे टेलीविजन से हो, चाहे पंडाल्स में लोग इसको चलाएं या घरों में चलाकर पूजा एंजॉय करें. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज गाना पहुंचना चाहिए. और कई बार मैंने देखा है कि गाने की मतलब 200-300 मिलियन व्यूज है, लेकिन रिव्यूज नहीं है गाने का कोई खास. So that is not important, and I think I'm very happy that people are really personally लोग from मुझे अभी मैं सोनू निगम से बात कर रहा था तो इंस्टा पे भी उन्होंने कहा hey awesome song, fantastic song. तो अच्छा लगता है जब आपके दोस्त आपकी जो fraternity है वो भी आपके गाने को appreciate करे. So I'm very happy for Akriti, happy for myself, and happy for Thumkiya.
And that's lovely. That's lovely. And especially like after the pandemic, I think we need a little bit of happiness through entertainment, song, and everything, to just at least have that thing after such a bad year. So thanks to you guys for that. Absolutely. And this brings me to my next question. And that was
but I also got to know that in Kolkata, मुझे उड़ती खबर मिली है कि कल लोग भूल गए हैं कि अभी ये कोविड पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, अभी भी है, और लोग बहुत जोश में आकर सबके सब पंडाल्स में घूमना और फुचका खाना और पैर पे फुचका लाना नए जूतों पर, तो सब बहुत ज्यादा मूड में आ गए हैं. So I would like to use your platform to just tell people, especially young children or those who have any ailing family members, to try and be a little more careful. बस एक साल रुक जाएं और अगले साल तो हम खुद भी आएंगे, सब बहुत जोश में पूजा मनाएंगे कलकत्ता में. But to be a little careful this one year, enjoy the music, enjoy the food, but try to keep social distancing, try to keep your, keep the masks on, and keep washing your hands.
Absolutely, it is necessary. I mean, I truly, agree with you, because I have seen the pictures myself, and it's really horrifying. Just to look at it, I think it gives me anxiety.
Yeah. We've spent so much time, 2 years sitting at homes, and everybody's lives have been compromised on some or the other level. Most of us have lost some people that we know for sure, or ऐसा नहीं हो जाए कि हम एंजॉय करने के चक्कर में वो जो रिवेंज टूरिज्म भी हो रहा है आजकल, तो ऐसे है कि रिवेंज सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है और उस चक्कर में हम और 2 साल घर पे बैठे हैं।
Exactly,
So
exactly.
can't even think about it. So yeah, let's be careful.
True, true, true. And this brings me to my next question, and that is, what about you guys' plan for Durga Puja? So, like, I mean, it's all virtual, I guess.
Yeah. There's
So,
no pandal really happening in Mumbai, na, Shan? I don't think
No, it's
no.
all virtual,
pandal
nothing. Yeah.
really.
So,
So
if
for
not the
me,
pandemic,
sorry, you were saying.
yeah, I was just saying that if not the pandemic, how do you usually celebrate? I mean, Durga Puja.
I think normally all artists are traveling for concerts also, na, around that time,
Yeah.
Navratri and Pujos.
Yes, 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 yes.
If I am here, then I go out pandal hopping with all my friends, and most of us are non-Bengalis. I'm a Bengali at heart, but we dress up nicely and we go and eat all the yummy food at all the pandals. And this year we're planning to make some vegetarian Bengali food at home and eat it all with all our heart. But like, yeah, my chef at home is Bengali, so it's going to be proper matlab mochar chop and this and that and everything we're going to do.
You are lucky, Akriti. I'm telling you. The moment you just said you have a chef who's Bengali, you are lucky. And what about you, Shan?
Yeah.
But I did hear about the Bengali cuisine. तो आकृति यार मुझे एक दिन तो बुला लो, हाँ? कभी अष्टमी या नवमी। ये देखो
आप तो
बम्बई में उल्टा हो रहा है, जो बंगाली है उसको बंगाली खाना खाने के लिए अपने पंजाबी दोस्त के घर जाना पड़ता है।
Punjabi नहीं तो done. Let's do that. But Bengali cuisine एक ऐसी cuisine है जिसमें I don't mind eating vegetarian because they are Punjabis, they are observing Navratri also. हालांकि दुर्गा पूजा में हम liberty ले लेते हैं and we ate all the fish chop and this and that. But this year, whatever I make, I will call you over. Done.
Superb. मैं in the meanwhile इस बार पूजा के काफी प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं। एक तो विक्रम घोष जी के साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट हुआ है जहां all of us together sang a song, and I've done two more songs, one with Mahalakshmi Iyer, one solo song. तो वो रिलीज हो रहे हैं। एक सैया ओ सैया बंगाली गाना है जो इंद्रदीप दाशगुप्ता one of my favorite composers, उन्होंने भी बनाया। तो काफी सारे ये प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं। तो even though I'm not in कोलकाता, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है कि थुमकिया and all the songs will keep my presence going in
Absolutely. And like, I mean, after Durga Puja, I mean, if I have to ask you guys this very dangerous question, if you have to pick between Navratri and Durga Puja, which celebration would you pick?
Why to pick? Why can't you have both? I mean,
both. बिल्कुल। देखिए मैं आपको एक किस्सा बताना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी बीवी जी गुजराती है, मतलब पंजाबी भी है, गुजराती भी है, लेकिन डांडिया खेलती थी। तो उनको इम्प्रेस करने के चक्कर में मैं खूब 2 साल खूब नवरात्रि में खूब डांडिया खेला और मेरी उंगलियां भी काफी हद तक जिसे बंगाली में बोलते थेतो हो गए, मतलब सॉफ्ट हो गए। लेकिन फिर जब से शादी हुई है तब से नवरात्रि कम और मतलब she joins me in my Durga Puja festivals also. लेकिन of course हमारे पास एडवांटेज ये है कि नवरात्रि जो है 4 दिन पहले शुरू हो जाते हैं। तो शुरू हो जाती है नवरात्रि की, पहले 2-3 डांडिया के राउंड्स होते हैं, उसके बाद फिर दुर्गा पूजा भी होता है। फिर वही भोग, आरती और शाम को प्रोग्राम्स। So we enjoy both.
Lovely.
So sweet. And what about you, Akriti?
Well, I'm a Punjabi and I basically take liberty to celebrate any and every festival, right from Eid to Pongal. I celebrate everything through food.
You are a true foodie, I can say. Like the way you just started talking about the Bengali food, I can say you are a true foodie.
Yeah.
So, can you guys share one fond memory from the making of the song?
I can. I think so. Basically, the day we were shooting, I had 2 looks in the video essentially, and Shan had a flight in the matlab he had to, we were shooting really far away from Mumbai also. So he had a flight early evening and he had to leave in the afternoon. So what we had to do is shoot his portions all first in the day. And then we were just thinking, okay, now what do we do about the night shots? Because he's not going to be there in the night shots. Can we make day into night? Or how do we work on the edit? Because it'll look like he's just in a couple of parts of the video and then I'm there in the most of it and I don't want that. So what we did was we shot all the parts with him. I changed into the second outfit and we did the hook steps and everything together. And then he left. Then I went and changed into the first outfit. I opened my changed hair, makeup, everything. The solo lines ka shots had not happened. And then to only realize that the sun is so different, the light will look so different. So there's no way we can patch it together. So I was like, छोड़ो, location ही change करते हैं. तो on the fly बहुत सारे decisions लिए गए थे. But I think it turned out really well in the end. So yeah.
Yeah, because I cannot tell. I mean, I saw the video and I cannot. It's just that he told me now.
Yeah.
No,
And
no. In
what
fact,
about you,
that
Shan?
night shot, the way it comes in when the music breaks down, it works really well. जैसे कि अभी शाम हुई है और गाने का मजा तो शाम को ही आएगा जब लोग in that mood of celebration. So beautiful, Akriti. Akriti is one of those few singers who is beautiful as a voice and of course beautiful, beautiful to hang and beautiful as a person also.
Thank you.
So it's always lovely to work with Akriti and Chirag के बहुत ही होनहार, again very handsome. ये couple ही कमाल की है. So and Chirag has worked a lot, not only with me but also with my wife's company Happy Demic. So we're like one big happy family. तो बहुत मजा आता है. और we have each other's back, so it's fantastic.
That's amazing. That's really nice. And okay, this brings me to one question. Akriti, you just said during the, during the beginning of the video, you talked about, Kamala Shunguri, like keeping the inputs from there. So, how much do you think it is important to, keep reviving our old songs, especially for the new generation to, actually know them and enjoy them?
I feel we as musicians also have a certain responsibility towards the content that we create. अभी सब हर चीज को अभी कंटेंट कहा जाता है, तो अब जिस भी फॉर्मेट पे कंटेंट कंज्यूम किया जा रहा है, अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं अपने सोशल मीडिया का बहुत इरिस्पॉन्सिबली भी यूज कर सकती हूँ, रैंडम फनी वीडियोस डाल सकती हूँ, अब्यूजिव कंटेंट डाल सकती हूँ, odd looking content डाल सकती हूँ. Maybe that will garner me more views. But then I think we all need to just be very responsible as artists, that we use our art sensibly and in a way that 25 साल, 30 साल, 50 साल बाद, when I have grandkids, they would look at me and they'd, look at that content and say, what exactly were you doing, Granny? I don't want to see that. So, in fact, my younger sisters, they are 8 years younger to me, and their kind of music is very different. But then when I do music, if I do that kind of music, it just won't like fit right, So I think music needs to be the extension of our personalities, and I feel we should just keep bringing back what we feel deserves more light right now. And maybe create time लगेगा, but शायद unclutter करने में हम लोग छोटे-छोटे अपने steps ले रहे हैं. तो bringing back Komola Nito Kore Thumkia is also, somewhere in that direction only.
Absolutely. Shan, would you like to add something?
No, I think what Akriti said makes a lot of sense, क्योंकि जो चीजें इंडिया में कहें, you can't ease it once it's there. So we have to be very, socially and morally, ethically responsible for whatever we put out there. And definitely, kahin na kahin, it has to be entertaining. It has to be fun. We cannot be very preachy and heavy, क्योंकि लोगों को उस तरह की चीजें, obviously पसंद नहीं है, और हमें भी नहीं पसंद है. लेकिन उसको अगर आप, you make it too frivolous or make it too almost borderline, like non-musical or senseless, तो फिर you may get the views, you may get the traction, but for all the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
आजकल जब आप मीम बन जाते हैं तो आप और पॉपुलर हो जाते हैं as a meme और as a कई लोगों को गालियां भी पड़ रही हैं लेकिन व्यूज भी आ रहे हैं तो खुश हैं, तो हम वो नहीं चाहेंगे.
And how do you think this is different from the remix culture, which is like very much, there right now in the music scene?
Is it worth bringing it back? I find some of the recreations choose some of these songs that are probably too new. They've already, the same generation has heard the original song, तो उसको फिर से करने की कोई पर्पस नहीं दिखती है. और साथ साथ वो जो गाना है वो ना उस जमाने में ना किसी जमाने में अच्छे गानों की श्रेणी में आती थी. तो ऐसे गाने को आप फिर से रिवाइव करना का भी कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता. I can't talk about remixes because way back in the early and mid 90s, I did a lot of remixes myself. But I felt that songs like
they were really truly iconic. I mean, they have been on my permanent playlist. Dil Kya Kare, ye sab, all of these songs have they've been incredible. Yeah.
बिल्कुल 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 क्योंकि ये गाने the song deserved to be, I felt that these songs deserved to be brought back to the the new generation, the millennials who haven't been that attached to the original. So you have to choose the song responsibility, choose the song responsibly, और फिर उसके साथ आप क्या हर्ष करते हैं वो भी आपको ठीक से करना है कि उस सॉन्ग को आप डिस्ट्रॉय कर देंगे तो हो गया काम तमाम. So it's again, like we're talking about responsibility, we're talking about social model ethical thinking. तो वो चीजें aesthetic thinking, वो चीजें मद्देनजर रखते हुए अगर आप recreation कर रहे हैं तो I see no harm in it.
And so we are like almost at the end of the chat session, our lovely chat session we just had. And is it possible to hear like 2 lines from both of you? It would be really amazing.
Sure. We'll try and sing the song. Of course, there's going to be a little lag, but
yeah, sure, absolutely.
We'll sing Tumkiya for you.
हर फरमाना पिया दिल की नगरिया में आ, अरे बाबा घर से निकल बीच बजरिया में आ,
तेरा हुक्म मेरे यारा सर आँखों पे रखूंगा मैं तो कसम से वादा किया, तेरे आसु पास मैं तो आबाद खुद करूंगा मैं तो कसम से वादा किया.
তোমরা দেখো গো আসিয়া, তোমরা দেখো গো আসিয়া, কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া, তোমরা দেখো গো আসিয়া, কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া.
কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া, এগো কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া রে, কমলায় নৃত্য করে থমকিয়া থমকিয়া.
Thank you so much, and especially the dance step. Like I noticed the dance step.
Yeah, it was fun.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll catch up with you guys soon.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Sneha. Bye.
Bye.
Happy Pujo to you too. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.